as well as notification through the Swayam portal over there. So I'm your mentor, Dr. Abhishek K, and yeah, today several students having some of the query related to the software installation, software version, how to do the assignment, a lot. Right. So don't worry. Today, I'm having a 1 hour session where we are going to discuss all of your query. And quickly, I was thinking to give you a small live recap about software and a graphical user interface of Maya. So that would be a little much better for all of you guys. Right. Galaxy A20. First of all, rename your name over there. Right click and rename your name over there. And Ashok Mirashi. Hello. I think the audio clearly audible to me. Dear, I think Ashok and Galaxy 20 may be some issue at your end, dear. You have to increase the voice of your mic and the headphone, both, not mic, headphone only or the speaker only. That would be much better. Fine. So quickly, first of all, I'm recapping everything. First of all, let us clear the screen. Fine. Okay, so hope my screen is visible with you, everyone. So maybe you having now foundations idea about the graphical user interface of Autodesk Maya itself, but I thought quickly in a live interactive mode, I will share with you how to do the work into the application, so you all having a little more confident to do the work. Because our motto as an NPTEL and Swayam programs executions, at least our students who are not able to pay the high affordable fee, definitely if you're going to learn the animation on Autodesk Maya, nominally the cost of fee of the application as well as the learning, it could be more than 1 lakh plus. So when I started that time, I thought maybe several students in our country, they having not that kind of paying potential capacity. So why not let us identify something which we can help our students, so they should have an idea how the 3D industry is also working. So this one motto, I had started the sessions over there, and 2017 itself I had started to capture the videos over there. Then UGC itself, they had a given opportunity, and later on, Ministry of Education has launched one platform, SWAYAM also, where several courses are available, not only animation, like if you want to learn about some other application, like a management courses over there, like engineering additional courses, sustainable design courses, several agriculture related courses are also over there. And eventually, this is all out of free of cost to read over there. If you want additional degree at that time, you have to just give the examination, and that the examination proctor fee is also very small. That is a 1,000 rupee, and you have to go to the examination center at your own city. It's not like that you have to go to the particularly host university to give the examination. For example, you are into the Kerala, or you are into the Jammu and Kashmir, or you are into the Arunachal Pradesh, or you are into the Gujarat. You can give the examination here your own specific states only. So don't worry about that. Using the notification, you all get notified about like right now only 1 week, 2 week has been get completed about this one course, and later on soon you will get some of the assignment detail also, which I had notified also. Like up to 20th itself, you having a detail of assignment. This is not like a traditional course with respect to earlier. Every day you have to do the 4 5 questionnaire and this kind of work. I had designed this one course in the way where our learners are able to do something creative and all. Because end of the day, Maya or any like you can say artistic based learning. For example, if anyone saying they are going to launch a course on how to become a good batsman, right? Or how to become a good golfer. So at that time, using the PowerPoint presentation and questionnaire, no one can guide perfectly, not even not closer to the basic fundamentals also they can clear about the teaching styles where people has to play the goal. That is a practical experience only. So my thought only with this one course, at least we should be having a limited number of assignments. Not every day you are getting the assignment. At least the entire module has been get divided into 5 and 6 segments. First is the foundation of animation, where you having some of the basic questions into the MCQ mode you will receive very soon, tentatively 20th itself, because right now you are learning phase one only. And then you have to submit one of the asset model, that could be product model, that could be maybe anything. Some references I had given also into the Google, Swayam platform also, where you can get identify, and even that is a reference. Not like that, you have to make that only. Even you can create your own concept design and which you can go ahead also. So this is a basic inputs from my side. Now, quickly, first of all, I'm going with a quick recap of the application. Then we will go with the question and answer discussion session, right? Because we are having a limited time, and if randomly right now we will go with a question and answer only, at that time, entire 2 hours is also a less time. So my motto is here: at least who join little late, he or she should be having a little more comfort zone using the Maya. Fine. So this is the interface of Autodesk Maya. One more query: don't worry about the Maya versions. Either you are using Maya 2012. 14, 16, 18, 20, 21. End of the day, 90% place. Working methodology are same. Maybe menu has something changed here to there. So for that, what options we having? Simply, if maybe in our recorded video, you may, I may suggested go and find the set driven key. And if you are right now using the Maya 2022 itself, then what you have to do, just go to the top. Here you can go to last here help. In help, what is your option here? Find menu. So you can hit into the find menu. For example, right now you are learning the modeling. So for example, I am typing extrude, extrude, right? So when you will type the extrude over here, see now you may able to see where you can find the extrude in a modeling segment, edit mesh and extrude. Second one, more extrude, you may able to see modeling segment, surface and extrude, because we had learned the poly modeling itself. So for that, what options we have? Modeling, edit mesh and extrude. So this is the modeling section. Here you can see. Then in a modeling section where we have to go edit mesh. In edit mesh, we have an option extrude. Right. So in this manner, maybe some particularly menu I had a taught earlier into recorded video, and that menu maybe has changed right to left. So at that time, what you have to do, simply you have to go to the help option. In help, you have to hit into the find menu. In find menu, you can go ahead, find whatever you want. For example, bevel, bevel, right? So where is the bevel? Edit mesh and bevel. So edit mesh and you can check out the bevel. Bevel is there, right? So in this manner, you can identify that particular menu. Got it? So now moving on the next, because using this one, some of your confusion would be get resolved. Like, sir, we are using older version. Some like when I started modeling at that time, maybe some content has been done into the Autodesk Maya 2018 version. Some were done into Maya 16 versions also. And even when you will learn the, like right now you are learning the modeling, when you go to the like a product design, asset design, right, 3D modeling itself, when you will go to the second segment where you will learn how to do the color, how to do the shade, how to do the texture over that. Then later on you will learn about the lighting and aesthetics development. So in a lighting and aesthetics development, by default, Maya having 3 render engine from long time back, right? One is the Maya software, second was the Mental Ray, third was the Maya hardware. But right now, Maya Mental Ray has been get replaced by the Arnold render engine. So don't worry if you have to go with Arnold render engine, because here you can see we have an Arnold option, right? When you hit into the render setting, so here we having option like Maya Arnold, Maya hardware, Maya software. But if you opening the Maya 2018 or Maya 2014-16 version, you may able to see the Maya Mental Ray options over there, right? So don't worry about that. Somehow when you will go in detail, I had a thought about the Arnold renderer also in week 8 or week 7 itself, right? So don't worry about that. You are going to learn about the Mental Ray as well as Arnold renderer. In this one version, Mental Ray is not available, but very soon again Maya is going back, and they, with respect to the several inputs from the learners and the industry professional practitioner, people has requested we required Maya Mental Ray. So again, maybe Maya 2022 when it will be lost. Again, maybe Arnold render with Mental Ray could be possible, or maybe again Arnold would be not here and Mental Ray would be only here. Right. So in this perspective, I had kept both things parallelly. Right. Let us close it. Okay, some Q&A. My laptop doesn't have graphic card. Harshit Sharma, if you have no graphic card and if you can't afford, definitely in that regard, I can't help you. You can go to your university college, because in this time it's a pandemic, so even you can't go there also. But you should be wait, or you should request your friends, whoever having a good notes with you, Harshit Sharma, you can request them to give and borrow you his or her laptop for a time. This can be only one option. And even if you have a not graphic card, right? So at that time, what you can do, you can go with a older versions of Maya itself, because without graphic card, simply screen will not, like you can say the display. Either it should be the internal graphic card or the external graphic card. So by default, you need a computer motherboard having the internal graphic card. So application will run, identify the older versions of application, then you can go ahead. Fine, Harshit? Okay. Let us close it. Now moving on, next, some more query here in the chat box. Fine. So now coming back here quickly, this is whenever you will launch the application, dear, after 2014 onwards the version, you will get this one kind of dialog box. So what they are saying here, what's the new highlight setting is there. So here you can see the green color. Some of the menus are highlighted. So if you're checking this one, what will happen at that time? Some of the new menus, whatever they introduce into the software, they are highlighted into this one fluorescent green color. So usually you can identify, okay, this one the new versions of application. Okay, so I'm hitting a close. So that option would be not now available with us. Now what I'm doing here, so this is the interface. Whenever you will open the Maya, at that time this one viewport you may able to see. Simply you can hit the spacebar button. When you hit the spacebar button, what will happen? This one viewport will be converted from the 1 view to 4 view. In this manner, you can go ahead. Fine. So this is one of the viewport configurations. Second, what you can do when you are working into the modeling, for example, we have some of the standard primitives here: the sphere, box, cylinder, cone, right? We having a polygon torus here. We having a plane here, right? We having a disk here. We having an n-gon here. So a lot of by default options are here we having available. So for example, like in a pre-recorded sessions, I get shared you how to do the like a product model over there, or simply you had to get learned over there. Like a small architecture castle also I had defined how you can start with a basic. One table chair shot also I had demonstrated with you. Then later on you had to get learn about the gun modeling also. So these are something which you already learned. But because I tell you we having a limited time also, so what I am going to do, like some of your friends have said, sir, we can be having a little idea about the character and all. So immediately, like for example, definitely full character modeling is not possible in a short span of time, but I can give you the definitely idea how you can go ahead. So for that, like simply, if we are thinking about this on a hand modeling, right? Because if one portion of a body you are able to understand how to get start, then accordingly you can do the practice, you can do the research to work more. So quickly, what I'm doing here, let us identify any references, right? Because references are really very important whenever you are working into the application. Because if you having some references at that time, it's much better to go ahead into detail. So I am just typing the google.com and REFERENCE image. Fine. For example, this is our hand here. Okay, it's a Pinterest. Let us open it. So whenever you are doing any assets creation or the character creation, at that time references play a really very vital role. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking this one reference here. So using the screen capture, you can go ahead. Yeah, definitely, dear. You can go through the G4 series of graphic card. You can go with a Quadro series of graphics card board, right? And recommended go with a NVIDIA graphics card. AMD sometimes is not properly supporting, right? So it's a much better. You can go ahead with a Maya with a NVIDIA graphics card. Satya Prakash, for example, if you had a having an ID card, simply what you can do, sister or friends, whoever having ID card, and you can start working. It's not like that. You have to upload your ID detail, then only you can use the application. Find here. Okay, moving next. So first of all, I'm taking this one as screenshot immediately. Fine. So I had to save the file here into the MS Paint itself. Let us just save the file into the my pictures, right? Or simply keep it on a desktop, JPG image, and fine. So this is only for the reference itself. Now I'm switching back to the application here. So earlier, like in a gun modeling reference also, we had demonstrated how to set the reference. So immediately this is a, what you can say, the top view of hand and the bottom view of hand. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to the view and image plane and import image. Here we having the hand reference, right? So now hand is with me for a reference. You can keep it down little. Why? Because this one area, there would be then no any obstacle will happen. Fine, dear. And now you can just scroll it down here, right? And you can little manage your screen here also. So now you're having a two viewport, top view, and here you can see the perspective view to get work in a clear manner, right? For example, here this one making a interruptions to you. So in that case, what you can do, you can go to the simply show option. You can uncheck the camera, as well as you having the image plane option. Some options should be here. Just yeah, image plane, Alt +4, right? So now this one in a perspective view, this will not disturb you. Fine. And even this one grid is again disturbing us. So what we can do is we can simply click on here. So the grid is also now off. Fine, here. Now, for example, if we are watching this one hand itself, so what is the basic shape of palm here, right? Palm basic shape is like simply you can say the cylindrical shape. This is like you can say the little box or cubic shape you can say. So immediately what I am going is we can start with the fingers itself, right? So for that I am taking one cylinder here. If it move with this one, right? And where you will go to the outliner here, right? So you can go to the outliner. In outliner, first of all, what you have to do, you have to go to the shape node. In shape node, what you can see here, polycylinder, right? In a polycylinder, by default, subdivision axis number is too much high, 20. Let us decrease it, right? So what will happen now? This one has been get decreased, right? After that, what I'm doing here, simply you can see like during the time of modeling, I had suggested earlier also, whenever you are doing any model or asset design, you should be follow the quads. That means the four segment you have to keep follow. You should avoid the triangle whenever you are working. Definitely when you go to the game engines, at that time game engines support a triangle only. So simply using a one button key, we can convert the quad into the triangle mode. So that's not a big issue with us, right? So what I'm doing here, dear, let us do F for zoom focus object. Now, simply, first of all, what I'm doing, simply right click and go to the face. As earlier, if you had a completed and watched the polygon modeling the videos, so what you have to do with respect to that, simply select the model and right click. You're having the edge, vertex, face, multi-object mode. So what we have to do, we have to go into the face mode because I don't want this one faces. So I'm selecting this one faces from top view and delete it. So what happened here? Now it has been deleted, right? A big hole is here. Now what I'm doing here, right click into the object, right? And change to the object mode, right? And now what I'm doing, I'm rotating the data from here. Let us rotate it. During the time of rotation, if you want, rotation should be come with a snapping over there, right? So what you have to do, shortcut, either you can type a rotate value here in a X, you can check out right here. X value is changing. Simply you can put the value 90 here. This is the one option. Or what you can do secondary, select the object and hit the J button from the keyboard. When you hit the J button, then 15 degree of a snap will go, right? So now 90 degree has been get moved. Now I'm scaling down. Okay, let us scale it little more. Fine, so this is the one finger I had get put it over there. Okay, just coming to the question and answer some of the question. Serial number, Maya dear, don't go with the serial number. I had suggested you should go with the Autodesk official website and you have to download the application from there, right? And register whatever email ID you had used for registration, use that, your application will start working. Sir, when I change the Lambert, choose one picture not visible on a screen. Dear, right now, I think I have not taught to change the material. So don't go little fast, go little slowly, then only you may able to see the thing. Right, Harshit? Shiak Riyaz already about the specifications. You can watch the videos and all that has been get demonstrated. But yeah, definitely if you're talking about the minimum specification, at least you should be having a Core i5 system with 8 GB. That would be much better for you. Joseph, okay, yeah, you can go with a multiple trial from Autodesk also, dear. But meanwhile, what you have to do, you have to Google and you have to identify Maya student version. So in Maya student version, you may able to get the Maya 2020, 21, 20, and 19. I think all 4 versions are available for students for 1 year free license. Praveen Kumar Gupta, already content has been get scheduled as per the learning outcome. So you have to go with that, like you can say module wise learning only. So right now you can say content is now available for you week 1, 2, and 3, where we had get completed about the model and assets over there. Igwin, like what you can do, dear, if you're not learning anywhere, you can ask your brother, sister, friends the ID card, and you can register from their ID card, and you can identify the official license person for 1 year, dear. It's not like that. You have to use your own personal ID card, then only you have to go. Okay, so now coming back. So meanwhile, we have went with several questions. So immediately coming back. So here we are talking about like a finger. So one finger is created like it would be little similar like all 10 fingers. Even thumb is little thin, little thick over there. So meanwhile, the constructions of the finger is same. So what I'm doing here, dear, immediately, let us first of all maximize this one. And now what I'm doing here, right click here, convert to edge mode, right? And let us select the edge mode here. And now what we have to do, we have to use the extrude option here. So either you can use the extrude from here, graphical user interface, or you can go to the modeling and we have in edit mesh and let us check out where is the extrude control E. Fine. So what I'm doing here, dear, let us first of all move it up to here, right? Now right click on object mode. Now what happening? If you're talking about the finger should have in the 3 cuts here, right? 1, 2, 3. Where finger is bending over there. So accordingly, we have to define the segments over there. Then only our character, our mesh would be get deformed. So for that, what I required, maybe here I want a transparency. So easily we can identify what's going back. So what you can do, either you can switch this one into setting to the wireframe. 1 minute. X-ray, right? You can hit into the X-ray. So what will happen? Now you can check out the reference also at bottom using X-ray. So now what I'm doing here, dear. So first of all, go to the vertex now and select this one. Where it should be here, because from here finger is going to be bent, right? And now right click, go to the object mode. Now one more tool I am going to use, edit mesh and insert edge loop tool, right? Mesh tool and insert edge loop tool. So wherever we have required a loops, like here cut is available, right? Whenever you have to bend your any object or where the curve is required, at that time minimum 3 segments is required over there, right? So I'm adding one more segment here. I'm adding one more segment here. I'm adding one more segment here, more segment here. Fine. In between for support, I'm adding one edge here, adding one edge here. Fine. So now the problem is here, this one area is more complicated, more detailed. So we have to work on this one finger, a specific place. So for that, what I'm doing here, let us zoom it first. And here, first of all, again, add one more edge loop tool, right? And now what I'm doing here, let us switch to the vertex mode. Where it should be, come here, forward. Let us keep it here. Let us keep it here, right? And now you can put it inside like this. So the shape here, you can see it with the perspective view. Shape is now little changed, right? Now what I required here, here is some detail required over here, right? So for that, what are the options? I'm going to tell you. So first of all, what we required, rather than scaling this one in this manner, First of all, what I'm doing, let us do the undo. Let us completely use the place. And again, what I required, right click and go to the edge mode. Simply you can double click here. So entire edge loop is getting selected. And you can use the mesh tool, mesh and extrude options is here, extrude, right? And after that, do a scale little, right? Move it. And again, extrude, right? And what options you can use here? Merge to center. So for that part, we have an option merge to center. So here you can see now this one finger has been get merged to the center. What I had told you earlier, we have to follow the 4 edge segments over there. So for that, what we require, first of all, again, go to the edge mode. In between edge, you have to delete. Like this one, let us delete it. Let us delete it. Let us delete it. Let us delete it. So what happened now? This is the 4th part. And here it's a required little roundness. So let us keep it roundness. Right. So now this one a little look like a finger we have. Now what required here? This one area is a nail area. So for that, I'm giving you one of the master cheat sheets over there, what you can use. So simply what I'm doing here, first of all, let us add one edge because here one curve required. So for that, again, I am using the mesh tool and insert edge loop tool. In between, I am adding one of the edge over here. Find here. And later on, go to the face mode. Simply delete the faces from here. Okay. So now here you can see this is a hole. Okay. And for smooth, what I had taught earlier, you can hit the 3. When you hit the 3 button, your model would be get a smooth preview. 1 for harden, 3 for smooth, right? So I had put it 3. So this is this one look. Now again, switching back to 1, harden mode only. Now what I required here, what is the shape of the finger like it should be? Convert to the vertex mode, object mode, and right click, vertex, right? So here this one should be where little this one shape should be here. Little this one shape would be here. Fine. This is again outside. So let us keep it inside manually. Fine. So now the shape of finger is somehow we had created. Now what I'm doing here, I'm maximize this one viewport. And let us select this one edge. So right click and change to the edge mode. And manually using the shift you can select, or simply this is a continuity. So double click here. So automatically entire loop would be get closed, right? Now what I'm doing here, extrude again. So here you can see the little depth inside the finger, right? So first of all, I had hit the extrude button and move it little bottom. After extruding, move it little bottom, right dear? Again, you can do the extrude. Now what I required, use the scale button because I required little depth over there. Again, for last command repeat, what you can do there? For last command repeat, you can do the G button, G for last command repeat. So I had last command what used? Extrude. So extrude again repeated. So scale up, again G and R for a scale. And here also what options you can use? Edit mesh, merge to center. So the entire vertex would be merged to the center. But again, as I had instructed you earlier, you should have him follow the quad. So here again, in between, as if I will delete, what will happen? The quad, that means 1, 2, 3, 4 vertex shape is available. See, now what, when you will hit the 3 button, see here, okay. So the nail look is now clear, but still it's not looking like a realistic. Other than a phrase, sir, it's a good, but I want a realism. So in a realism, what happening if you're a finger having in a good condition, this one is skin is a little overlap to the nail. So for that, again, what I'm doing here, let us zoom in, right click, go to the vertex, keep it little down, keep it little down, keep it little down. Now what you can do, you can overlap this one little because the skin is overlapped, Nadia. So accordingly, with reference to our human body, you have to overlap. Now we have to work into the nail. So simply select this one, top 3 vertex. So multiple vertex selection, you can use the shift button, right? So I had to simply move it and let us keep it in this manner, right? Even what you can see, this one in between little up rounded curves over there. So you can keep it little up in this one manner. Okay, now let us check the object mode and hit the 3 button. Now see, here you may able to see the realism. You can little more push it, right? So in this manner, you can give the details. So realistic, you can say the digital humans, or you can say the realistic modeling. At that time, we have to precisely work. Now, here, if you talk about the right view, it's a little bended from here. So what we should do now, you can go to the different view also. Where is the side view? F for full screen. Now what I require, the finger should not be in this one way. Manually, you can work with a vertex and segments. Fine, here we should keep little inside. We can keep it little closer. So your cuts would be much visible clearly over there. Again, you can come here and let us keep it inside. Here there would be some volume, right? Come to the perspective view, object mode. See. Now, the realistic view of the finger you may able to see. Got it here? So same when one finger has been get created, then what you can do? You can simply do the duplicate, Control D, let us keep it here, Control D, let us keep it here. Right? Now, for example, how to attach these 3 fingers, I'm giving you one idea. Then only we can go ahead. So let us deform as per the reference. Let us rotate it, E for rotation. Okay, and here the vertex should be little inside. Let it be little scale in, move it. So with respect to the reference, you have to modify the fingers, right, dear? So same model, it's not like that every time you need to be model and create. Fine, vice versa, this one also you can do the same. Let it be a scale it, vertex mode. Keep it little thicker view here. Move it. Scale it. Now 3 fingers I had created here. Okay, so first of all, what we required, we need to mix or merge all 3 videos. So for 3, what I'm doing, select all 3, and what you have to do, mesh, and we having a combine option over there. Mesh and combine. So when you hit the combine button, what will happen now? This all 3 has attached as one. After this, what we are doing here, now this one area you can see the interconnectivity, right? So for that, simply right click and go to the edge view. Shift multiple edge section. Then simply do the extrude one here. Extrude it. Same do with this one also. Extrude it. Right? And now what I'm doing here, right click and vertex. Select this one vertex and select this one vertex. And what you have to do, right click and merge to the center. Okay. Select both, merge to the center. Select this one, so select this one, and you have to use the merge to the center. Same do with this one, area, merge to the center, merge to the center, merge to the center. So what happened? This one has been get attached. Now when you hit the 3 button, what will happen? See, get it? How with a small cylinder only we have started, and now our structure is going ahead, right? So later on, like for example, when your all 5 fingers completed, now this is maybe if you are making one cartoon. So after getting done this one, simply you can again do extrude here, and you can move it here. Right. So now you're having a little clear idea how to start with a character. Okay, so this is a 3-finger character. This is a cartoon, so it's a possible over there. Fine, dear. So now hope you having a little idea. If you're talking about the, for example, if you have to create a head, then for head again you can have a start with eyes only or lips only. For example, you have to create a leg itself, then you have to start with a cylinder. So this is a small idea which you can implement. But yeah, definitely, first of all, don't go with the human or the organic modeling over there. First of all, work with the product engineering where you can model the cell phone, where you can model the, like you can simply model the mouse itself, or you can model the television screen. Products only. Start to work into the product at initial rather than going into more characters over there, because once you would be get proficient into the character, sorry, product model, then you're having a little more comfort zone, and then you can shift to the character. And even today I had a given one idea which is not has been get covered into the systems, because yeah, definitely, online pre-recorded systems, you're going to learn the Maya, even 1 year or 2 years also less time to get learn the applications, because Maya in a Hindi or Sanskrit, you can say Maya means illusion itself, right? So when you are going to learn Maya menu by menu, no, it's even 3 to 4 years also less time to get learn application into the intermediate level. I'm not talking about the proficient level. Personally, if I'm talking about myself, when I started my career, standard 7 only, I had decided I have to go where. At that time, I had a struggle with my parents, my family also, because at initial, as a North Indian, people are suggesting only one thing: either you should be the IS officer, IPS officer, or last option is what you have to become a engineering or the scientist background people only. But many anyhow, I had identified. So meanwhile, I had definitely opted the computer science itself by passionate. I am teaching any country, very few places who having such kind of options people can learn. Then I thought, why not? Now I am into this one stage where I can motivate, I can guide my younger, you can say the youth of my country. And yeah, definitely using the SWAM platform. At least I'm really very happy. Last year, 2 to 3 students later on have submitted one their project into the discussions forum also. Like they are the mechanical engineering students, some of the civil engineering students, they had created the assets and the model, and they have got additional award in their school university itself, because whatever concept they are planning into the mechanical engineering or maybe the civil engineering, first of all they had created the entire thing into the 3D. Then later on they had presented the things into the really very effective way. So university management was really very impressed after their presentation and execution. Fine, dear. So hope the things are clear till here. Now I'm again opening the Q&A section. There are some questions. I'm not standard using multiple trials. Egwin Joseph, dear, don't go with your own, no, dear. Definitely, maybe in your family, you having brother, sister, or maybe your friend. You can ask their own ID card. You can register for that also, because trial would be get expired in 1 month only after installing. Gnath. Okay, polygon drawing was seconded photo of the reference. Gina, could you write your question again, dear? I'm not able to clearly understand. reference image or my friend don't have PC. Sarath, if your friend having no PC, I can't help you for completing assignment, dear. End of the day, minimum definitely if you want to become maybe for example cricketer, then you should be having bat, na dear. You should be borrow. You can ask your friends to get borrow to help them. Then Sarath, you can go ahead, dear. What is the difference between insert edge loop tool and multi-cut? Okay, insert edge loop tool here, whenever you are using, when your model edges into the loop, so automatically that would be get loop. But maybe if you are edge into not into the loop, even if you want a cut, then you can use the multi-cut here over there. Aditya, when I hit the 3 button in Maya, sometimes Aditya, maybe when you're using 3 button in Maya, it's a disappearing. Maybe there would be some glitches to the graphic card. What you can do, Aditya, you can update your graphic card, right? Driver itself. Then I do believe your problem would be get automatically resolved. Archit, don't worry, dear. We learn from the practice only, dear. At least start with a slowly. Perfectness never, I don't believe perfect belongs to 100%, right? And in our artistic industry, never we can say this one 100% excellent job. Every day, when again I'm opening the file in our file only, again I will see, okay, these are some of the problems over there. So don't worry, start a little and I will try. Okay, so session will be recorded and uploaded. Okay, this one class I will upload to the YouTube, and that link I will share to your announcement section. So you having the backup also. Okay, fine, dear. Praveen, already in a video I had again demonstrated which company has developed Maya. Initial Arix operating system was over there. At initial, Alias was work for that. Then Autodesk has acquired the application. I think Praveen Gupta, please watch your video sessions, whatever available into the pre-recorded. Your answer is already available over there also. Sanjay, yes, in an announcement section already I had given the idea from where you have download the application. Sanjay, no dear WhatsApp group. I am not going to be created because what happened around 2 year back when I had created WhatsApp group, several girls student and boys student common number has been shared over there, and several girl student has been get troubled by several boys. At that days onwards, I had not stopped the WhatsApp group. Whatever you have a query, genuine query, you can post to the discussion forum over there, because several queries is over there, like how to download the Maya. Already all the instructions is available over there. So at that time, for example, if instructions are available, first of all, read the instruction. But yeah, definitely some of the query would be available. You will get the response. Yeah, definitely immediate response would be a little challenging because additional several work is over there. But meanwhile, we are trying in our next 48 hour, you having the answer. And meanwhile, like right now, all modeling systems is available over there. So all modeling related little idea I had given to you. Again, maybe next month we can have a new one live sessions over there. So you can do the practice to the texturing also. So whatever query you have is related to the texturing, we can discuss online over there. So this is additional, which personal level I can go ahead, because even officially it's not available, and officially this is not, you can say Swayam has been any notification, but yeah, end of the day, my vision is what my students should be get benefited. So for that, if I can give additional time, and even in an online mode, we having some facilities, and why not? So maybe next month again, I can schedule one more live session. So at that time, whatever query you have related to the texturing itself, we can go ahead. How to use in this in Unreal Engine? Karandeep, first of all, simply you can export the model into the OBJ file format, and you can go ahead this one model into the UR engine itself also. Siddharth, here by default, whatever you will draw, that only a Lambert is available only, or simply you can do the assign new material. Here you can see the Lambert, Lambert, right? So in Maya run, No, dear, if you have to run the Maya, if you're using the Pentium processor, definitely it would be little challenging, but maybe slowly it will work. So you can start, but yeah, you cannot get the little smooth result in a Pentium processor itself with 4 GB RAM. Vishal, definitely if you want to learn anything, commonly I recommend every day minimum 4 to 5 hours. You have to do the practice, then only somehow you can do little good, dear. Rashika, like in this one SWAYAM NPTEL course, I had not used the 3ds Max. Yeah, I'm a proficient in 3ds Max also, but in this one online session, there is no any 3ds Max session has been get captured or recorded. Nishi and Hari, you can go with a class 1 session, right? So accordingly, if you will properly follow all the video instructions, don't worry about that. I had recorded the session. Even I would like to share last year, one of the students of standard 6 only, he has done one of the 2 best work out of the entire semester, where some of our student is more than 55-year or 60-year-old also. So it's not like that. If you having passion, if you want to do properly follow the all sessions, meanwhile discussions forum is also over there. Using it all things, you can go ahead into the best video. What is 2.5D sculpting? Yeah, Krishna. If you're talking about 2.5D sculpting, whenever you are using the ZBrush or whenever you are using the Mudbox, at that time we are directly sculpting into the model. So at that time, whenever we are doing the sculpt into the model using the brush, at that time this is 2 dimension only we are doing painting, but we can rotate and we can shift the model. That's why this one, all the sculpting software like a Mudbox or a ZBrush is known as the 2.5D sculpting software. How many applications should to have intern job related to Maya? Dear, if you are looking for the intern job, you should be having foundation idea about the Adobe Photoshop integrated Maya. You can go ahead, dear. Sir, I'm going to become a use on YouTube for education. Dear, if you Neeraj Kumar, if you are using any content, because these are the SWAYAM contents over there, so automatically they YouTube they will identify like a copy contents over there. At that time, maybe your channel could be get blocked. So be careful in that regard. And yeah, simply you can directly recommend the SWAYAM course also, because officially it's not like that. Government of India has a permitted university colleges also. For example, if their college that subject teacher is not available, they can directly recommend the course from the SWAYAM and NPTEL also. So don't worry about that, dear. Niharika, yeah, definitely you can use the Maya 2022 versions only, because right now even I am using the Maya 2022 version. Avas, related to assignment and all, already we had notified on a 20th, you will get all the details. So don't worry about right now. Just do the practice, practice and practice. Because end of the day, my motto is not here like give a lot of assignment and go evaluation. I am expecting at least you should able to do something, then only it would be much better for everyone. Sri Krishna Srinivasan, via educational assist. Dear, maybe Sri Krishna, you having a school ID card, na? Why you are going with your own school ID card? Simply go in your family, maybe your cousin, brother or sister, maybe into the higher education, use your ID card and you can go ahead, dear. Karandeep, right now we are having Maya systems over here, 3D animation. So Unreal would be make a very big confusion for the other students. So right now I'm not going with the Unreal Engine as of now. Aditya Prakash, definitely if you are looking for the career in animation, you can go with the video demonstration number 1. I think already I had defined whatever the career is related to the animation clearly has been get explained over there. Okay, Ginath, after installing reference in gun model and viewport, changing the color. Okay, Ginath, what you can do, for example, I am telling you what the problem may be with you. So, okay. You can use the keyboard button 5, 6 and try over there. Maybe your problem would be get solved. 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 4 short key button, Gina. You can utilize the short key button. Maybe your problem would be get resolved. That would be not, your reference would be not so into the gray color. Right? Try the same. Harry, already the session is available to the spam platform. You can go ahead, dear, over there. Pratik, end of that, if you're talking about the Autodesk Maya is the industry-oriented software while Blender having the still there is a several you can say still bugs are over there, but because this is an open access and a free version software, easily can people use, so people are starting working into the Blender software. Don't worry there. End of the day, we all are a Indian. We are not a Britician. So if there would be some spelling mistake, there is no any issue. At least our input should be get conveyed to each other, so we can go ahead here. Abhishek, better mouse. Abhishek, commonly it's not. You can either go with right now. I'm using the Asus mouse itself. Logitech mouse also you can use. Whatever mouse you are feeling comfortable, which is gripping your hand, that is much better rather than particularly brand. I'm not recommend any particular specific brand. Whatever comfort zone, and on average, if you are going with a mid range of mouse 500 to 1000 in between, all mouse are working good over there, dear. Shantanu Shah, right now week 1 to 3 is available. Slowly, after 20th onwards, the next week session class would be get available. So until that, keep practicing and modeling and texting. Aman Bhatnagar, reference with but dimension or all spammy, I can't adjust to the grid. Simply you can scale it there. If there is a problem, simply you can use the scale in, scale out, and even you can move the reference also. Older version, this one facility was not over there, but right now we having a 2022 version. Even you can move your references also. There would be no any header. Rishwaran, like dear, end of the day, for a Maya, there is nothing enough when you had to check the workflow of the Transformers movie during the time of Transformer second series. Even you can say world's one of the fastest PC, that also having crashed over there, because commonly we are recommending NVIDIA Quadro FX graphics card over there. But yeah, you can start with a USD 640. Don't worry about that. Enough what is not appropriate here, because how much you will invest, accordingly you will get the best performance. Venkat Srinivas, commonly, like I am not a hardcore book reading and book lover itself. That's why several students have requested some of the handbook which can be helpful for us. So I had to share 2-3 options over there. But rather than more giving the time to the book, if you properly watching all the videos, your problem would be get resolved here. How to get animation industry for business. Right now you can see the Byju's application. In a Byju's, using the animation, now teachers are teaching, and end of the day result is very much perfect. So when you're integrating animation for teaching and learning, that could be a really very big business. Right now using the animation, even people teaching the body surgeries over there. So animation you can implement anywhere, either it's into the science, technology, engineering and management, all places. Varinder, already the video is available over there. So additionally, note is not further required. You can go ahead and check the sessions which already available into the SWAM platform. You can go ahead here. Sridhar, simply select the model, right click and new material, and you can use the Lambert. Right now, don't worry about the Lambert, because in our next section, when you will start the texturing and lighting, at that time you are going to learn about the shaders and all. So don't worry right now about more Lambert options or the shading options over there. Dear, you can use any software, but end of the day, if you're looking for the industry orientation, Maya and the 3ds Max is the commonly used application right now for FX and dynamics purpose. Qtni application industry is preferring. No, Aman, right now there is no any VFX course into the SWAM platform. Sri Krishna, wait till 20. Already I had informed how to submit the assignment and whatever the assignment you have to follow. Zenith Nehal, I will check out what the possibility could be for the Telegram. Accordingly, I will discuss with my scholars also, whoever helping me to get handle the portal and all. Then I will check out whatever the possibilities are over there. Because unnecessary in a Telegram and all places, then several pings and messages are coming over there. But anyhow, I will once think about the Telegram, right? So because in Telegram number is not shared over there, so this is a good input from you, dear. Admin, first of all, change your name. Joseph, if you currently know only Blender, it's a good. You can now learn the Maya also. Radhavan RTS 50. Okay, you can go ahead, Subham, because already if you're having the graphic card AMD, so I don't recommend you to change the graphic card. You can go with a Radeon itself, AMD itself also. But maybe if someone is particularly new time buying the laptop or the PC, at that time I will recommend go with a NVIDIA graphics card. That would give you the good result for the designing and integration purpose with comparison to the AMD processors. No, Krishna, I can't share my personal contact because end of the day, what happening? More than around 1 lakh student has been get selected in a 2 semesters. If 1 second, one people is also dialing, entire day phone is only ringing. So at that time, we having a discussion form. Definitely, that could be helpful for you. And do your best. Definitely, in a assignment, if something you are doing good, I will definitely personally connect you to give you more input. Just you share your best. Additionally, if any input required as a teacher, definitely I will help you. Ambika, I'm not able to understand your question. Simply you can hit the space bar, one viewport, convert to the 4 viewport. Okay, so like now, common question, Blender and Maya. Dear, end of the day, again, I tell you, if you're using the Blender, Blender is commonly for the testing and just industries. Some few industries right now starting using the Blender, but industry oriented, whatever the flexibility, whatever the result, even if you're talking about the Transformers or Terminators series over there, even for animation, they had used Autodesk Maya only. Karandeep, again, you can see the videos because these are a very basic question, how to move left and right. Already I had demonstrated these all things over there. Hanu Biswal, definitely if you can do 3D animation freelancing also. There are freelancer.com, some website, but end of the day, you should be having a portfolio and a quality of work. Then only you can go ahead, then people can give you the inputs over there, like projects over there. These are the questions. Okay, some student has typed into chat box. Okay, just give me 1 minute. What were the queries into the chat box? Okay, dear, what I will do, whatever the discussion today I had done, the entire session I will upload to the YouTube, and the direct link would be available to you to have watched. Right, dear? So hope now we are close to the time over because one of my more meeting has been scheduled on Sunday itself. So meanwhile, any further more critical questions or problem, you can tell me. So due to the color problem, I have not able to move forward from the gun reference installing point. Gina, I think what you can do there, maybe some of the graphics related problem. First of all, I do recommend reinstall the Maya and update your graphic card there, right? If you updating both things, I do believe your problem would be get resolved. Fine, right? If still some problem will come in, simply you can what you can do in a discussion forum, you can make the screenshot whatever problems you are getting over there. Then that screenshot you can upload to the discussion forum. We will identify the issue and we will revert back to over there. If after reinstalling the application and updating the graphic card, your problem would be not get resolved. Okay, fine. So, okay, I will check out what we can do. Either it's a Discord server or maybe we can go with a Telegram. Accordingly, I will update you later on, right? But hope now all you are doing well and safe at your own home. So be positive, right? Keep practicing. Unnecessary, don't go outside, right? Because it's a crucial situation. And yeah, it's a really very good in an online mode, even due to the government of India several initiatives, you may having a lot of content to get learned, to get read. So utilize this one best time to get learn something new. Even right now you had enrolled into the Autodesk Maya application, animation integrated 3D animation itself courses over there. So at least you do the best practice and of the day for best result. Fine, dear. So take care up to that and be happy, be positive. And I will upload this one session maybe today night or tomorrow itself. You all have an announcement, the entire session, whatever I had demonstrated today, you will receive over there. Okay, bye bye. Take care.